You're sharing an intimate moment, feeling close and excited, when suddenly, the connection slips away right in the middle. That unexpected change brings a rush of disappointment, self-doubt, and sometimes a fear that makes you hesitate to be close again. If this sounds familiar, please know it happens to so many men. I'm Vivian, and in the next few minutes, we'll uncover the real reasons and practical solutions. It all begins with your body in a relaxed state, the gentle rest and digest mode that supports intimacy. When desire builds, nerves release a key messenger called nitric oxide that tells blood vessels to expand and welcome more flow. Blood fills the soft chambers inside the penis, causing it to grow firm, while small valves hold everything in place to maintain that strength. Any interruption in this delicate balance can make it hard to stay firm. Let's walk through the 6 most frequent causes together. The first and often most important reason involves hidden changes in your blood vessels or hormone levels. Research reveals that men experiencing these changes have almost double the chance of future heart problems. It acts as an early signal from your body. The vessels leading to the penis are much narrower than those to the heart, which is why difficulties often appear here well before anywhere else. This makes it essential to check for unnoticed conditions like high blood pressure, elevated cholesterol, diabetes, and to test testosterone levels early in the morning. The second reason sits in the mind. Once it happens once, worry often follows and shadows the next encounter. That anxiety shifts your system into high alert mode, which tightens vessels and pulls blood away exactly when you need it most. Breaking this pattern starts with open talks with your partner and exploring closeness without any performance expectations. A small daily dose of medication such as Tadalafar often helps restore confidence and gently interrupts the worry cycle for many men. Third, as years pass, the delicate nerve endings responsible for sensation slowly lose some of their sharpness. Weaker signals reach the brain, so arousal can fade. New kinds of touch, vibration, warmth, coolness, or light textures can awaken stronger responses. Fourth, you may not yet be completely aroused, even when it feels like you should be ready. We're human, not machines. Taking extra time with foreplay and introducing fresh variety helps reach that full level of excitement needed for firmness. Fifth, several widely used medications can quietly affect erectile strength without most people realizing it. These include certain antidepressants known as SSRIs, beta blockers for heart or blood pressure, older antihistamines, and finasteride for hair or prostate concerns. Speak with your doctor about how important intimacy is to you. Often there are different options or small changes that can protect your sexual health. Sixth, and far too often overlooked, is a condition called obstructive sleep apnea that quietly undermines erections. Night after night, drops in oxygen trigger stress hormones and reduce testosterone, setting up exactly the conditions that weaken sexual function. Warning signs include heavy snoring, a neck larger than 17 inches, or pauses in breathing noticed by your partner. Struggling to stay firm during intimacy is much more common than most people admit. But identifying the root cause opens the door to real improvement. Don't carry this burden alone. Reach out to your doctor or a urologist for honest answers. You deserve to feel confident and enjoy the closeness you want in life.